How to find Payeer Master Key. So after creating your Payeer account, and then when you try to do the verification, you might come across this, which they will ask you to enter the master key to unlock, right, before you be able to continue. So if you don't know the master key, after you created your account and then you log into your dashboard, you saw this written over here that please save the login data in a safe place. Okay, and then as you can see, you have your login, you have your password, you have your email, you have your secret code and the master key over here. Okay, and then they ask you to download this and then put it right at a saved place. So if you did it, so to find your master key, just go to where you saved the downloaded text, open it, and then you will see the master key, and then you can use it to continue the verification, right? But maybe you didn't take notice and then you did not save it, and when you logged in it wasn't there. There is no cause for alarm. Just open your account again, just log in and then locate where we have the profile. Okay, just like this one, just locate the profile and then just come here where we have the security. Okay, where we have the security, just click on it and then come down here to where we have the authentication, the two-factor authentication. Just scroll down. Okay, come down here and then you will see we have master key over here, and as you can see the box is checked and then it says enable master key. Just uncheck the box. Okay, just uncheck the box and do not click on the confirm. Note, do not click on the confirm, then go back and then continue the verification process. Okay, so just go to where it says profile and then verification, just click on it and then come and start the verification again. Okay, just come here, just scroll down and then come and click on go to next. Okay, just click on go to next, then click on go to next again, and then you will see that it will bring you right here where you have to upload your details, your documents, and then continue the verification. So if you downloaded the test, just go find it and you will find your master key. But if you did not, this is how to go by it. So like the video and then see you in my next video.